Riddle me. The idiom, riddle me, is an expression that is used when someone wants to challenge or puzzle another person with a difficult question or problem. It is often used in a playful or teasing manner, and it implies that the person being asked the question must think deeply or use their wit to come up with an answer. Here are a few examples to illustrate the usage of riddle me in different contexts. 1. Example in a playful conversation. Person A: I have a riddle for you. Riddle me this. What has keys but can't open locks? Person B: That's a tough one. Let me think. Is it a piano? 2. Example in a classroom setting. Teacher: All right, class, here's a riddle for you. Riddle me this. I speak without a mouth and hear without ears. I have no body, but I come alive with the wind. What am I? Students, thinking and discussing among themselves, could it be an echo? 3. Example in a detective story. Detective: Riddle me this, my dear Watson. How did the thief manage to enter the house without leaving any signs of forced entry? Watson: It seems like the thief might have had a key or knew the security code. In each of these examples, the phrase, riddle me, is used to introduce a challenging question or problem that requires careful thought or clever thinking to solve. It adds a playful and engaging element to the conversation or situation, inviting the listener or participant to engage in problem solving or critical thinking.